Reginald Alfred Varney was an English actor, entertainer and comedian best remembered for playing the lead role of bus driver Stan Butler in the LWT sitcom On the Buses and its 3 spin-off feature films. Having performed as a music hall entertainer, Varney first came to national recognition as factory foreman Reg Turner in the BBC's sitcom The Rag Trade. He appeared in further sitcoms including Beggar, My Neighbour, and On the Buses stardom facilitated overseas cabaret tours. Varney was born in Canning Town, Essex, to Sidney Thomas Varney and his wife Annie. His father worked in a rubber factory in Silvertown, and he was one of 5 children who grew up in Addington Road, Canning Town. He was educated at the nearby Star Lane Primary School in West Ham, and after leaving school at 14, he worked as a messenger boy and a page boy at the Regent Palace Hotel. Varney took piano lessons as a child and was good enough to find employment as a part-time piano player. His first paid engagement was at Plumstead Radical Club in Woolwich, for which he was paid 8 shillings and 6pence. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.